Casa Coriscão by Kiti Vieira Arquitetura in Parati, Brazil. A compact and at the same time spacious house, low cost and comfortable, were the challenges for the project of the Coriscão house. With minimal compartmentalization, it was possible to harmonize what we wanted with the appropriate dimensions for each use. The materials were used with precise calculation, as well as the planning of the 3-month construction. The supports that reach the ground are made of concrete. The house is suspended to keep it dry in the humid terrain and in a location with long periods of rain. We used PVC pipes for the formwork of the base pillars, and the edge beams of the floor are also made of concrete. The wooden beams and flooring have a modular size of 2.3 m x 1.6 m, so the beams had reduced dimensions. Part of the roof supports are made of wood and part of them are visible structural blocks, which already serve as closures for the rooms. The blocks are laid in plumb joints, with precise modular size and no cuts in the pieces. The roof of the veranda is lower than the roof of the house, for greater protection on rainy days. The veranda rafters rest on the same beam as the main roof, and to create a mismatch with the house rafters, they were moved and used diagonally, creating a triangulation on the ceiling. The eaves are generous on all sides, windows and doors can be kept open during rainy periods, and the walls also provide more protection, which is essential in Parati.